Our mission at Phenometry is to create the ultimate 3D surface modelling tool. We wanted to make it easier for visionary product designers to create the next iconic products. And so we did. Welcome to the future of 3D design. Welcome to Phi, where surface modelling is reinvented. 45 million 3D designers, and every one of them facing the same old tech headache. Expensive software that requires a supercomputer, a learning curve that feels like learning a new language from scratch, collaboration that feels like you're communicating by fax, and bringing extraordinary ideas to life feels like impossible. With Phi, designers are now given the creative freedom to work with the speed, simplicity, and the precision required for modern manufacturing and 3D printing, resulting in unconventional, cutting-edge products, faster time to market, and significant cost saving. Phi empowers visionary 3D designers to turn innovative concepts into revolutionary products. The inspired concept designers, the trendsetters in fashion tech, the innovators shaping the transportation of tomorrow, and the creators that can change lives for the better. Here is CAD industry legend John Hirschdick recognizing Phi's innovative power.
There's a great partner we have called Phi, Phenometry. They're here. They have some really great tools for freeform shapes. In fact, they'd probably do a great job in this, for example.
Phi is the fastest organic shaping 3D design tool, featuring a unique interactive surface modeling experience, while also offering precision and top quality for product and industrial designers. Phi's intuitive interface sets it apart from other tools in the market, making it exceptionally user-friendly and fast to learn, even for beginners. Developed entirely for the cloud, Phi is accessible through all online browsers and tablets, setting it apart from any competing tool by facilitating real-time collaboration that simplifies communication with teams and clients. Our subscription-based model ensures accessibility for freelancers, businesses, and enterprise clients alike, with flexible monthly or yearly plans.
Hello from Massachusetts. My name's Jeremy, and I love using Phi 3D for my surfacing, for my modeling. I design various projects related to automotive accessories. One project is right behind me. It's a new kind of cargo box for roof racks, all designed in Phi. Love it. Can't wait to see more.
Supporting users is always a priority, and it's also my favorite part of the job, because we get to see some pretty amazing stuff that people have made with Phi.
The 3D design industry is rapidly expanding, with revenues projected to reach $28 billion by 2030. The whole market is also moving towards more organic freeform shapes and designs. Our team at Phenometry, with extensive experience in the computer-aided design industry, is ready to capture a significant market share with Phi.
Before founding Phenometry, we worked closely with industry leaders who emphasized the need for easier and faster surface modeling. Recognizing this, our team came together, conducted new mathematical research, and reinvented surface modeling.
After working hard for more than 2 years to create a first prototype, we successfully secured our first round of funding. This support enabled us to conduct the necessary deep tech research and develop our unique intellectual property, Phi, and finally bring it to market.
Over 3,000 users, including key industry players, have already tested Phi, and we have received great feedback. That has been a driving force to develop Phi even further. World-leading industry experts, Develop 3D, have included Phi in the coveted list of 30 new technologies that are going to change the way the industry uses technology to design, engineer, and manufacture products. A significant milestone for us was integrating with Onshape, the leading cloud-based CAD platform acquired for $500 million.
Partners like Phi provide their solutions to our users and enables our users to create amazing designs that otherwise would be very difficult. Phi has been a pleasure to work with. They are always extremely responsive, whether it's related to support or whether it's related to like creating new training materials, and the fact that they're able to just continually update their product as fast as they do, it's just mind-boggling. I have to give them all the credit in the world for what they've done.
We want Phi to turn every 3D designer's browser into a studio, where ideas flow, collaboration is seamless, and amazing products come to life in an instant.
Phi has great investment potential, proven by past high-value acquisitions in our industry, indicating strong demand for innovative solutions like ours. We invite you to invest and join us in shaping the future of 3D design with Phi.